Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to create boards on Monday.com. Maybe you are managing projects and you want to keep your tasks organized. So today I'm going to show you how to create boards on Monday.com. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Monday.com application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, you will see this plus button at the bottom right side of the screen. Simply tap on it. After that, a menu will pop up with two options, Add Item and Add Board. Now, to create a board, simply tap on this Add Board option. Here, you will see a list of templates that you can use in your board. Scroll through the list and select the template that you want. If you don't want to use any of these templates, you can always start from scratch by tapping on this Create New Board button. After that, you now have successfully created a board on Money.com. This board is now your digital canvas to organize tasks, track progress, and collaborate with your team. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create boards on Monday.com, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create boards on Monday.com, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.